One of the most interesting things I found is that the novel presents two different versions of faith and society. On one side, there is a spiritual world shaped by compassion, memory, and storytelling. On the other side, there is a more rigid perspective that focuses on rules, authority, and control. The main character, Askar, struggles to understand why he belongs between these two perspectives. What makes the novel powerful is that it does not explain this conflict in a direct political way. Instead, it appears through personal relationships, emotions, and identity. In that sense, the story reflects a broader struggle happening in society. I have long held the view that literature extends beyond mere storytelling. It's a way to understand the deeper struggles within societies. My research looks at how African literature reflects the relationship between religion, identity, and power. I focused on Nuruddin's Farahs because the novel reveals how spiritual traditions such as Sufism can exist alongside political struggles over authority and control. What fascinated me most is how a literary text can capture these tensions through human experiences, showing how individuals and societies navigate between spiritual heritage and political ideologies. I chose this topic because I'm very interested in how literature reflects real social and political tensions. In many African societies, religion is not only about personal belief, it's closely connected to culture, identity, and sometimes political power. When I read maps, I noticed how Nuruddin Farah presents these issues through the life of one character, which makes the conflict feel very personal and human. I wanted to explore how the novel shows the difference between spiritual traditions rooted in community and storytelling, and another approach to religion that is more connected to authority and political control. I think this research helps people to see that literature can offer valuable insights into social and political realities. A novel can help us understand complex issues in a more human and reflective ways. This study may benefit students and researchers in literature, cultural studies, and even political science. Why? Because it shows how fiction can reveal deeper conversation about religion, identity, and power. It also reminds us that cultural and spiritual traditions often play an important role in shaping societies. For me, the most important message is that literature can encourage dialogue and help us think more deeply about coexistence and understanding.